He's about to chase me with a drone. Alright, I'm gonna go line up. Have y'all angled down just a teensy weensy bit to see the bike more than you actually up a little bit. You fucking hit me with it too. Ah, tree! After you. I'm gonna try and keep y'all down so that way I can keep it on the bike, because this is a very small bike. I don't want y'all just seeing like earth coming at me fast, you know? See if I can do a wheelie. I'm trying to practice on this bike, because again, I have big bikes. I don't want to do wheelies on the big bikes and have a repeat of that incident. Or I'll just burn out a little bit. Go, Jerry, go! I almost fucking lost it there. Oh man, my ass does not like this bike though. It's fun, but goddamn. Definitely not made for somebody in my stature. Okay, let's see here. Skirt. Fucking. This bitch. Oh, goddamn. Get over! Fuck! Okay, we're good. If I can find the kicker here. Yeah, we got like trials this bitch. That was not trials though. Oh yeah. I love these trees so much, man. I was on the crash bar, or the fucking skid plate. God damn. Hoopla. I'm not a dirt bike guy. I have not rode a dirt bike in like 6 years before I bought this thing. It's a good thing you're small. Nice. I am definitely going around. But where do I go around it? Right here? Yeah. POV, you're a guy in Britain. Oh, I can't get out the fucking way! Even though they're a mile and a half in front of you. Hopefully he doesn't hit the fence. Oh, he does see it. Okay, very good.
Where's you from here?
I don't know. I think there's a bunch of trees blocking off that way, and we don't own that way, so...
You don't go that way?
No, that's not our property anymore at that point. Once it goes down the hill.
Yeah, that's the fence line too.
Yeah. I like how the bikes are in sync right now too. Skirt. Let's not get behind him. Woo! Am I far enough back? That's why I wasn't going to be behind him. And I'll take my little pussy way around. That was not cool. Oh, that was right in the back of the calf too. You cocksucker! Big man on a little bike. I'm like 6'3", 230. On a 125. Come on, bump up. Oh, almost. Jerry out here marking his territory and shit. Gotta trials this bitch again. See if I can do it. Almost. Little burnout on a branch. Oh, I'm caught on the fucking crash bar again. Skid plate, whatever it's called. Fuck. Back on my way to get some tea in the UK because I'm on a 125 and I complain about everything. Man, my nuts are getting a fucking workout pulling this bike across these damn logs. This is a hell of a lot of fun though. Like if you have the money to get a pit bike that's kind of dumb, get one. 100%, best money ever. Hi Jerry. Jerry's loving this. He's getting a fucking workout, ain't you, bud? Fucking fuck. I'm gonna feel that in the fucking morning. Oh shit! Ah. That's why I don't have my phone on me. Huh? I'll tell you in a second. Yeah, I felt it. I was like, there's a certain point where it's like, I didn't even have time to say anything. I was just like, my Mars went, and I was like, this ain't good.
Not there right now.
Oh, I'm gonna feel that in the fucking morning. Holy shit.
I hit my shin hard up in the double.
Oh, I believe it. I left a hell of a fucking like mark right here too. No, you don't want to kick over at all. Oh, I didn't even see that too. Goddamn. Oh, am I in neutral? Look out, Jerry. I still got wheels of fucking breadies, buddy. Oh, you fuck. This bike is so much fun. See if I can get any lift coming through this way. Woo. Okay. I need to find a better line here. Alright, so I gotta give her a wee bit more throttle. More than I have been anyway. See if I can get a good one. That was not what I wanted to do. I wonder if he's having more fun flying it or beat me in the back of the head with it whenever I stop. Alright. See if I can get a good one really quick. Fuck. Oh, my shit did. Getting little baby ones. Damn, son, we're both compensating.